Okay, so really quick one today. We're just going to look at where the extensions menu is and just a little bit about what we can find in there before we start working with specific extensions, which will already be added to the toolbox, but you'll know how to find them then. So the extensions menu is located in the top part of the toolbox underneath maths. Really clear to see. And we click on that and we get a whole menu of various different things. There are some preset, obviously by MakeCode themselves, about data logging, some additional blocks for radio broadcast, servo control, audio recording, so your version 2 microbits can actually record sound and play it back. So once we're controlling neopixels, which are strips of pixels that can display any color, some turtle commands, and sonar ones to work with ultrasonic sensors, so you can start measuring distance. And that's really quite clever. Then we get other ones for some more sort of well-known things. We've got one of them, Kictronics little buggies here. Groove sensors for environmental monitoring, various things. Another robot there, and it goes down. But there's more than this. There are menus to start searching at the top here as well. So we've got some extensions for lights and displays of all sorts of different sorts. Halos, which are neopixel strips. You can see it's displaying lots of different colors there. E-ink screens, segmented displays, other bigger displays as well, like OLED ones. Other software bits that can go in, so you can work it with line, make a beacon that's going to broadcast messages. Science, well, like data logging, sort of gathering bits of information. You see there's an environment bit there for monitoring temperature, humidity, automation. And the list goes on. And there are all sorts in here. One's for robotics, so just the boards themselves or actual setups for them. For lights, the traffic lights. And the list really does go on for all the add-ons that you can get, or for various things. You can even do networking and create LoRa networks or add Wi-Fi capability to the microbit as well. So we find them all in here. So for example, we wanted to use a servo gate, which is produced by Kictronics. We could start to type in the name, this is an access bit, and we could see it there. And then when you found what you want, you simply click on the extension, and it loads in another menu. So here we click on that and you get blocks for that. This one's nice and simple. We'll look at this one later on. We can move the barrier up or we can have it right. But you can do it, and then if you need others, you can go back to the extensions. You can add them all in as well. So if we wanted to add in, say, the radio broadcast one, we could click on that as well. And what this does is actually adds additional options to the radio section, just to give you a little bit more things. So here, like broadcast one, send radio message one. So you can just be a little bit more specific with what you've put in, rather than just the ones that are there to begin with. So that's where we find the extensions menu. I'm going to be looking at a number of different options and ways we can use that over the next couple of videos.